Hello, and welcome to Storm Tracking Today, where we will be tracking the tropics. This is the National Hurricane Center's 2-day graphical outlook. Now, there are right now two disturbances, one which is over Africa and the other in the main development region. The one over Africa has a 20% chance of developing in 48 hours and a 60% in 5 days, while the disturbance in the main development region has a near 0% chance in 2 days, as well as a 20% chance in 5 days, and this one is not expected to develop much further. Here is the 5-day graphical outlook from the National Hurricane Center. You can see our two disturbances as well as their development areas over the next 5 days. The disturbance over Africa is expected to move westward into the main development region, while the second disturbance is expected to move westward, but may pick up a northerly jog in the next several days, possibly bringing some rainfall to the northern Lesser Antilles as well as possibly even Puerto Rico. This is vertical wind shear. Now, there is a higher amount of vertical wind shear in the southern main development region near the intertropical convergence zone, and this will likely not impact either one of our disturbances too much. Now, just off screen right here is the coast of Africa, and right here is our first disturbance. Now, this will likely slip just north of our pocket of higher amounts of vertical wind shear. As for our second disturbance, it will likely not have a problem with wind shear in the near future. This graphic shows ocean heat content, which is how far down 80-degree waters extend below the surface of the ocean. In the main development region, there are low to moderate amounts of ocean heat content, and as you trek further westward in the direction of the Caribbean, there are higher amounts of ocean heat content, and this will likely not be a problem for either one of our two disturbances going forward. There is currently a Saharan Air Outbreak in the main development region, and for our second disturbance, this will likely put the brakes on, so to speak, in its development, and it will likely not intensify very much further, as it will likely intercept much of the low to moderate amounts of this Saharan air. The first disturbance over Africa may find a pocket of lesser amounts of Saharan air, and this is the reason why it may develop further than the other disturbance. Here's my personal track forecast for these two systems. This is my intensity forecast for disturbance number 1. Now, in the bottom left corner, it is supposed to say disturbance number 1, so I apologize for that. I'm giving it an 80% chance of becoming a tropical depression, as well as a 30% chance of becoming a tropical storm. I did not make a graphic for the second disturbance, however, I am giving it a 0 to 10% chance of becoming a tropical depression and a 0% chance of becoming a tropical storm. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you would like to see more tropical updates like this, hit subscribe and the notification bell so you won't miss out on my future videos. I hope to see you on my next tropical update.